Hey guys, I want to show you a quick way to shut off all iPads in your class if you need to. Next week we'll be working on Apple Classroom. It is working, it's up and running, so I will be able to show you how to use Apple Classroom to look at student screens, push out apps, etc., etc. For now, until we get there, if you would like to open the Manager app and go to your classroom, so I'm going to use Mr. Westerman's class. Once you get in here, make sure that's on. That's just for later use. You want to click Start Class. If you notice, there's a class duration of 60 minutes. If you want to adjust that to however long you want to control the class, you can. That way it shuts off when you're finished. Click Start Class. This is probably going, hopefully this doesn't mess up everyone's iPads. And then you can go in and click this button right here, heads up. I'm not going to click it, but it will shut down all student iPads and say heads up. At the end of your class, you need to make sure you click in class or they will be locked out of their iPads for the rest of the day. Thanks.